Pipe fittings. Pipe fittings are components used to connect, terminate, or redirect pipes or tubing sections in a piping system. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials to accommodate different piping requirements and applications. Here are some common types of pipe fittings. 1. Elbows. Elbows are fittings used to change the direction of piping systems, typically at 90 degrees or 45 degrees angles. They allow pipes to bend and navigate around obstacles or corners while maintaining the flow of fluids. 2. T's. T's are fittings with a T-shaped design used to branch off a main pipeline into 2 or more directions. They are commonly used in piping systems where multiple branches are required. 3. Reducers. Reducers are fittings used to connect pipes of different sizes, diameters, or types. They help transition between pipes with different dimensions while maintaining a smooth and continuous flow. 4. Couplings. Couplings are fittings used to join 2 pipes or tubing sections together in a straight line. They provide a secure and leak-proof connection between pipes and are available in various types, including threaded couplings, socket weld couplings, and compression couplings. 5. Flanges. Flanges are flat, circular fittings with bolt holes used to connect pipes, valves, or equipment to each other or to a structure. They provide a strong and reliable connection that can be easily assembled and disassembled for maintenance or repair purposes. 6. Unions. Unions are fittings that allow for easy disassembly and reassembly of pipes without the need for cutting or threading. They consist of 2 parts that can be quickly connected or disconnected using nuts and bolts or threaded connections. 7. Caps and plugs. Caps and plugs are fittings used to seal the ends of pipes to prevent the escape of fluids or contaminants. Caps are typically used to seal the ends of open pipes, while plugs are used to seal threaded or unthreaded openings. Valves. Valves are mechanical devices used to control the flow, pressure, and direction of fluids within piping systems. They open, close, or regulate the flow of fluids by means of a movable element, such as a gate, ball, globe, butterfly, or plug. Here are some common types of valves. 1. Gate valves. Gate valves are linear, motion valves with a sliding gate or wedge-shaped disc that controls the flow of fluids by moving perpendicular to the direction of flow. They provide a tight seal and are commonly used in off applications. 2. Ball valves. Ball valves are quarter, turn valves with a rotating ball-shaped disc that controls the flow of fluids by opening or closing a passageway. They offer quick and reliable operation and are suitable for both on-off and throttling applications. 3. Globe valves. Globe valves are linear, motion valves with a disc or plug that moves up and down to regulate the flow of fluids. They provide precise control of flow rates and are commonly used in applications requiring throttling or regulation. 4. Butterfly valves. Butterfly valves are quarter, turn valves with a rotating disc or vane that controls the flow of fluids by turning perpendicular to the direction of flow. They offer low pressure drop and are commonly used in large diameter piping systems. 5. Check valves. Check valves are one-way valves that allow fluids to flow in one direction and prevent backflow in the opposite direction. They are used to prevent reverse flow and protect equipment from damage. 6. Pressure relief valves. Pressure relief valves are safety devices used to control and limit the pressure within a piping system by releasing excess pressure to the atmosphere or a low-pressure system. They are essential for protecting equipment and preventing overpressurization. 7. Control valves. Control valves are specialized valves used to regulate the flow, pressure or temperature of fluids within a piping system. They incorporate an actuator to adjust the position of the valve's closure element based on control signals from an external source. Pipe fittings and valves are critical components in piping systems that ensure the efficient, safe, and reliable operation of fluid transportation and control processes across various industries and applications. Proper selection, installation, and maintenance of pipe fittings and valves are essential for optimizing system performance, minimizing leaks, and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards and safety requirements.